Everyone told you to save money, so you did, and somehow, you still feel behind. Since childhood, the advice was simple. Spend less than you earn, save the rest. Be responsible, be safe. And for 99% of people, that's exactly what they do. They save, they budget, they cut subscriptions, they drink coffee at home. And then they wonder why, after years of discipline, nothing really changed. Here's what nobody mentions. Inflation runs at roughly 3% a year. Your savings account pays you 0.5%, maybe 1%. That means every single year, your safe money is quietly losing value. You're not saving, you're slowly losing in slow motion. The person who saves $500 a month for 10 years has $60,000 in the bank. The person who invests that same $500 at just 8% average returns has over $91,000. Same discipline, same sacrifice, completely different outcome. Saving is not a wealth strategy, it's a survival strategy. And there's nothing wrong with surviving. But if you want to build real, compounding generational wealth, you have to understand one thing. Money is not meant to sit, it's meant to move. Rich people don't get rich by saving, they get rich by deploying capital, putting money to work in assets that generate more money while they sleep. Here's the math most schools won't show you. Person A saves $200 a month from age 25. By 65, they have $96,000. Respectable. Person B invests $200 a month in a simple index fund, averaging 10% per year. By 65, they have $1.27 million. Same $200, same 40 years. The only difference? One kept money, the other used it. And here's the part that stings. The Save More advice isn't wrong. It's incomplete. It was designed for a world where banks paid real interest rates. That world no longer exists. We were handed a map to a city that was rebuilt decades ago, and we've been following it ever since, wondering why we can't find where we're going. So what do? First, save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. That's your safety net, your foundation. Second, everything above that? Don't save it. Invest it. Index funds, ETFs, real estate, a side business, something that grows. Third, automate it. Don't decide every month. Set it and forget it. Let compounding do what Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. You don't need to be smart. You need to be consistent. You were taught to be a saver. That made you responsible. Now it's time to learn to be an investor. That will make you free. The difference isn't income, it's understanding. And now, you have it.